Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Tab Active, and today I'll show you how you can import your contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, we will want to open up our contacts application, which will be located in the Samsung folder right over here. In the contacts application, here you will locate to these three bars and select Manage Contacts, and then select Import Contacts. You can now select where you want to import contacts from. I'm going to be selecting SIM card. This in turn will display all the contacts that are located on that SIM card. And from here we can select all of them by simply tapping right there. If maybe you don't want all of them, you could deselect some of them by just unchecking them, as you can see. So uncheck the first one and then click on Done. It will ask you where you want to import contacts to. I have two options. So I have the tablet itself, so the storage of the device, or the Google account, which would be equivalent to basically putting the contacts onto the cloud. And if you choose your Google account, or maybe Samsung account if you have one signed in, this will then display all the imported contacts on every other device that has this account signed in. I'm going to be choosing tablet. We can select import, and there we go. It's now finished, so we can select OK, go back, and our contacts should be visible in the list. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.